Welcome. In front of me I have the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this phone. So anyway, let's just get started by adding the toggle to our control center. By default, when you pull down your control center, you most likely won't see this icon right here. If you do, you don't need to do anything apart from tapping on it to start recording, but I believe for the most part everybody shouldn't see it. So let's just go into the settings, navigate to control center, and here below you'll find basically all the toggles that are turned off, which you can add by tapping on a plus sign. So you want to find the screen recording toggle, tap on a plus, and it gets added. From there, you just simply tap on it. It starts a countdown from 3 right over here, and then begins recording. So whatever you will do right now obviously will be recorded by the phone, and once you're done, you just tap right here, select the square, and there we go. It gets saved to our photo gallery. So I'm gonna now find that application and show you recording right over here. So there we go. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.